Hey everyone, so have you just unboxed your new Hisense Fire TV? Well, let's go ahead and get it set up and ready to use with this complete first-time beginner setup guide. So after unboxing, make sure to place your TV where you want it to be. And before you go, just remove all these, protective stickers one after another from the TV. And then just plug the TV into a power outlet. Now, before we start setting up our TV, you need to prepare the remote. So grab the remote and then flip it, open the back cover. You'll get a setup battery with the box that came with the TV. Just go ahead and insert those batteries to your remote. Close the cover, and now you're ready to go. Turn on the TV. It'll show a couple of logos, and you will end up in the setup section. First, you're going to select your preferred language. After that, press continue. Now you can set up the TV using the QR code or directly with the remote. Select whatever you want, and then connect your Fire TV with your Wi-Fi network. Now once it's connected, the TV will check for any available software update. Alright, so the next prompt is choosing between the basic experience or the full package. The full experience includes personalized recommendation, access to the full range of Fire TV features, additional content, services, and apps. Just go ahead and choose whatever you want. I'm going to choose the full service. Now you'll end up in the sign-in screen after that. Now you got 3 options to log in. So you can sign in online using the displayed code or by scanning this QR code with your mobile or smartphone. But for this video, we're going to choose the third option, using a remote by pressing the menu button and go forward. Sign in with your Amazon account email and password. Now, once you've signed in, your Fire TV is registered to your Amazon account, you'll see a welcome screen. There is also an option to switch to a different account or continue with the current one. We're going to just press continue. Now next, you're going to choose whether you want to save your Wi-Fi information to your Amazon account. We are not doing that right now. If you have previously used this account on any other Fire TV device, or maybe you're setting up the TV after a reset, you can restore your settings from a backup. You can simply choose the device you want to restore from. For this setup, we're just going to skip the backup. Alright, so next you may see some Prime Video offers. I'm going to skip them for now. You'll also see an Amazon Kids offer. I'm going to skip that as well. And next, you'll be prompted to choose your streaming services. Now you can skip this and add them later from, App Store. But you can also select the apps and streaming services you want now. They'll download in the background and they'll be ready to use once the setup is complete. So you can, right away start streaming, whatever you want. After that, in the next section, you'll see the parental controls prompt. I'm going to just skip it for now. You're almost done. Finally, you'll see a welcome screen. Take a look, and then just press got it. A scan for TV channels prompt will appear in here. You can do it now or skip this and do it later. And that's it. You'll end up in your Hisense Fire TV's home screen in a moment. You can explore these sections, or if you need any help with downloading or installing apps or setting the best picture settings, we have 2 separate videos on that. If you want, you can just go and check that out. And that's all for today. See you at the next one.